Goulart's been having a number of religious experiences, and I was hoping you'd be able to tell me what you know about it.
I don't know anything about religious experiences, Goulart's or otherwise.
You heard a noise the other night, didn't you?
Where'd you hear that?
It's just a guess. Look, Pete, if you're having religious or occult experiences, I know I can help you with this.
Religious and occult. Me.
Maybe the noises that you've been hearing, you come in.
It's nothing.
Okay, it's nothing. It's gonna be a long, cold night out there. We got a full pot of coffee.
It could have been caused by a million things. Old buildings are filled with odd noises.
Yes, but what did this one sound like?
A kind of whistling sound. Like a golf club when you swing it. Look, before you ask any more questions, you might as well stop wasting your time.
That's fine, that's fine. But you were sleeping when you heard it, right?
I didn't dream it, Clabber.
Have you heard it again? Come on, please. Just a few more questions.
Yes, I've heard it again. Same thing. I'm asleep, and it wakes me up. Like that, okay?
I need to... Can I see your apartment?
Stow it, Clabber.
Okay. For a while, I'll stow it. Just do me a favor.
What?
Notice I'm not smiling.
Okay.
I mean this with deadly seriousness.
Okay. What's the favor?
If you hear this noise again, day or night, come directly down here and start pounding on my door.